Good morning to everyone. Today we are here to do the exercise of chapter 8 and subject S.St. Chapter 8 is Climate of India. Last day we have completed the two exercise A and B of chapter 8, and today we will start with the third exercise of this chapter, exercise C. Before starting the class, all of you get ready with your book. Open your book, page number 40 you have today. Open page number 40. Take the pencil and start doing the exercise along with me. Only you have to write the answer in the book. For exercise C, you have to write only answer in the book. Exercise C is true or false. Question is, I will write the question because you will understand in better way if I write and make you understand. Just directly writing the answer, you will copy it but you will not understand. For a better understanding, we are writing the question and answer both. Write T for true and F for false. This exercise C is about true and false. Write T for true and F for false. Write T for true and F for false. The first question is the climate of a place depends upon the climate of a place. First question is the climate of a place. The climate of a place depends upon the climate of a place depends upon the altitude of the place. Depends upon the altitude of the place. My dear students, what is meaning of altitude? Do you know the meaning of altitude? Altitude means height. How much height it is? Okay. Altitude means height. Altitude of the place from sea level. Altitude of the place from altitude of the place from sea level. From sea level. And the question is asked whether it is true or false. So this is true, and for true what we have to write, my dear students? T. So now you have to use a pencil. Take your pencil, write into your book T, because the first statement given here is true. The climate depends upon the height of the place from the sea level. Understood all of you? I hope all of you understood. Now let's do question number 2 of this exercise. Question number 2 is the climate of a place. 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 The climate of a place has. The climate of a place has great influence upon the life of the people. Yesterday we have studied about this question during the exercise A or B. I think in the exercise we only studied this. Question number 3, the lifestyle now. So this is also true. The climate of a place has great influence upon the life of the people. Upon the life of the people. And the question is asked whether it is true or false. So this seems to be true, and this is also true. So for question number 2 also, what we have to write? T for true. T for true, capital T. T for true. Now for question number 3, the climate is the same. The climate is the same The climate is the same. The climate is the same. The climate is the same in all parts of the country. 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 Throughout the year of the country. Throughout the year of the country. Throughout the year. The climate, what is the question? The climate is the same in all parts of the country throughout the year. No, this is false. Because we know that at different places it is different. In northern parts it is different, eastern parts, other type of climate is there, southern parts, western parts, everywhere it is different. So, some similarity can be seen, but almost it is different. So, this statement is false. And for false what? We have to write, my dear students, F for false. So, you have to use the answer and write now F. Very little you have to write in this exercise now. Only understand, keep the facts in the mind and write T F in the book. Work is over for this exercise. Now, two questions are remaining that we will do. Question number 4. May and June. May and June. May and June are the hottest months in India. May and June are the hottest months. May and June are the hottest months in India. May and June are hottest months in India. And this statement is also true. And for true what we have to write? Capital T. So all of you there. Now for the last question, this is the last question of this exercise. Many parts of our country, many parts of our country, many parts of our country receive, many parts of our country receive, many parts of our country receive heavy rainfall in, heavy rainfall in, heavy rainfall in December and January. In December and January. December and January. Now whether it is true or false, this is correct because mostly which part of our country get the rainfall in December and January? Which part? South India experience little rainfall in the northeast monsoon. Sorry. This is true or false? This is false because this South India gets rainfall in the which month? October and November, not December and January. In which month? Due to northeast monsoon, South India gets rainfall in October and November, not in December and January. So this statement is false, and for false we have to write F. We have completed this exercise. Now I will tell one more time the answer. You have to just look in your book whether you have written correct or wrong. For the first question, true. For the second question, true. For the third question, false. For the fourth question is true. Fifth one, false. So, third and question number 3 and 5 my dear students, all of you get ready with your notebook. Now you have to write down the question and answer in your notebook. Open your notebook, write today's date, then chapter 8, and as usual, always I am telling this, again I am telling, write the chapter's name, climate of India. What is the name of chapter 8? Climate of India. So what all things you have to write in your notebook? Open the notebook, write date, chapter 8, and the name of the chapter 8, Climate of India. I hope all of you are ready with your notebook, pencil, eraser and sharpener, and you have written date, then chapter 8 and Climate of India. You have written, no? Now let's start writing the question answer, and my dear students, don't forget to write the heading. Write the heading also. Exercise is answer the following. Answer the following. Answer the following. Answer the following. Following questions you have to answer. Some questions are given for that. How many questions are there? Only 5. Not too much, no? First question is, how does the, write the question along with me. Question is given in your book also. My dear students, one thing I am telling you in advance, if you are not able to write along with me, cope up with my skill, you can pause the video. Then what you have to do? Copy it and again start the video and write. First question is, now let's start the work. How does the climate of, how does the climate affect the, how does the climate affect the life of the people? Affects the life of the people. How does the climate affect the life of the people? This is the first question and you have to write the answer for this. Now, question you write and I will give the answer, then we will write the answer for that. Climate determines the crops they grow, climate determines the crops they grow, Further, it influences their lifestyle, it influences their lifestyle, not only the lifestyle, the food they eat, the clothes they wear, the food. I hope all of you are writing along with me. My dear students, don't waste the time because wasting time is crime. So you have to write. No wastage of time. Don't waste it. It influences their lifestyle, the food they eat, the clothes they wear, then and also their festivals. Not only this much, but also the festivals and also their festivals. This is the answer for the first question. I will read it one more time. By the time you have to pause the video and write it. Climate they grow, it influences their lifestyle, the food they eat, the clothes they wear, then and also their festivals. Now answer for the second question. Question number 2 is what are the three seasons? What are the three seasons in India? What are the three seasons in India? We have to write the name of the three seasons. The three seasons: summer, monsoon, summer, then monsoon, and winter seasons. And winter season are the three seasons. The three seasons in India. Are the three seasons in India. I will read it one more time. Summer, monsoon, and winter season are the three seasons in India. I hope all of you have written the first question answer. I am going to write it. If you have not written, my dear students, I am making this up. Take a screenshot or pause the video and write it. Now, let's write next question. Question number 3. My dear students, don't worry. You can pause the video and write if you are not able to write along with me. Question number 3. What changes in the climate do you observe? What changes in the climate do you observe between summer and winter season? Between summer and winter season. This is the question for question number 3. This is question number 3. I am getting aside. My dear students, you need to pause the video and write. I know you have not finished writing, but what you have to do, you have to pause the video and write. Let's write the difference. In winter, answer for this question. In winter, the days are short. In winter, the days are short, while nights are long. This is the condition for winter season. The days are short and the nights are long. The mountainous regions are colder and coastal regions are present. The mountainous regions, are colder. In winter season, climate is like this. The mountain regions are colder, and coastal plains are pleasant. Now let's see during the summer season what happens. Summer is hot and dry weather. Hot and dry weather prevails. The mountain regions are cooler as compared to the plains. The mountain regions are cooler, means they are colder as compared to the plains. I will read the answer one more time. By the time we have to pause the video and write it. Answer is, this answer is little bit long, sorry for that. Understand and learn. No need of by-hearting it. In winter, the days are short, while nights are long. The mountain regions are colder and coastal plains are pleasant. Further, in summer season, hot and dry weather prevails. The mountain regions are cooler as compared to the plains. So, my dear students, you can pause the video and write. Now, we will write question number 4. Question number 4 is, why do people go to hill stations? Hill stations in summer. Means during the summer season, why the people go to hill stations? That we have to write. Let's write. In order to escape the heat of the summer, in order to escape the heat of summer, season, people go to hill stations. People go to hill stations in summer. Hill stations in summer. I will read the answer one more time. By the time we have to write it or pause the video and write. In order to escape the heat of summer, people go to hill stations in summer. I hope you have finished question number 3. Let's write the last question of this chapter, question number 5, and the answer for that. Let's do that. Question number 5 is, when does the monsoon begin in India? When does the monsoon begin in India? Let's write the answer for this. Answer is, let's see the answer. The monsoon begins in. The monsoon begins in the month of June. In the month of June in India. This is the answer for question number 5. We have finished writing. I will read the answer one more time. The monsoon begins in the month of June in India. If you have not written, you can pause the video and write. I will send the PDF next day, not today. Okay, because today I have been sent the PDF of, I have given the video to watch it, write it, and whatever you leave in this, tomorrow you will get the PDF of this, note it. Okay? Do it properly, complete the notebook. Thank you class.